Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Excel to Word without any macros. So it is actually a pretty easy thing. So imagine that you have a report like this in Excel. For example, you have like data here, and then you have like kind of summary here. So you want to get these numbers in Excel. You just need to, for example, open the Word. And we have, for example, this store 1 and this store 2, but we want to link like the two stores to their numbers. So first we will copy from store 1, and then after copying it, you come here and you go to paste is special, and then paste link and formatted text. So you just press OK, and you will get the number here. But you will find that without selecting it, if you press this number, it will show you that it is kind of selected, but it is not actually. This is a selection. So we will do the same for the second number. If you press this one, it may show something like this, but this is not our options that we are going to use. We use this one. So you can just format them like this. So we have the two numbers formatted. So let's save this one and close it. So imagine that we have added some additional rows here. For example, these rows, we just added them. And then here, these numbers are changed. Then we will save Excel, close it. So imagine that you have the numbers here. So instead of copying paste, it will ask you that this one contains like links to other files. So do you want to update? So if you press yes, these numbers will get the new numbers from the sheet, and from the Excel files. But if you press no, it will not update. So we can press yes. And as you see, it got updated by the latest numbers, whatever they are. In case that, for example, you got a new file with the same structure and you want to pull the numbers from the same cells, an option here that will allow you to edit the links. So you can choose what file. So for example, change source. It will allow you to select another Excel file, and here is the items that you are going to get, which is sheet 2 R2 C3, something like this. So it is pretty easy. Once you do it, you can just every time, like let's imagine that you have like forgot to update it. Like this, and you press no by mistake, so don't worry, it is okay. You can just update it from like this, or you can press F9. It will like do the same. It will update the numbers again. It will pull them, the most updated numbers from the Excel file. So that's it for today, and I hope like you enjoyed it. And please, if you have any problem with this tutorial or any comment, please leave this in comments and I will reply to you. Thanks for watching.